Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your YouTube in your preferred web browser. And here you have to make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. From the drop down menu you will find the option appearance device theme. So click on this option. So as you can see, by default device theme is selected. So to enable dark mode, click on dark mode theme. So here you can see your YouTube theme has successfully changed into dark mode theme. So guys, in this video we saw how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.